Lionel Messi has completed football. Emiliano Martinez too, except that he could be in hot water. Exceptional throughout the competition, voted best goalkeeper of the tournament, Dibu Martinez received his trophy from the officials, but a few seconds later, well, he made this gesture. Martinez has revealed why he did this gesture. I did it because the French booed me. Arrogance doesn't work with me. An inappropriate gesture that drove the fans crazy in a positive or negative sense, depending on which side you're on. Maybe this gesture will earn him a sanction, by the way. In the dressing room after the game, he also celebrated by asking for a minute's silence for Mbappe, who he said had died, despite having scored a hat trick. He then said this after the game. We were controlling the game and they equalized with 2 crap shots. It was our destiny to suffer because we scored the 3-2 goal. Then the referee gave them another penalty. Afterwards, surprisingly, he was one of the only Argentinians who comforted Kylian Mbappe. He went to greet him while the French president, Emmanuel Macron, also cheered him up. As far as crazy or disrespectful celebrations go, we have Sergio Aguero, the retiree called Eduardo Camavinga, a d***. Classic.
Para Camavinga. ¿Por qué? Ese cara de p***.
It's not clear why he insulted the Real Madrid player. Perhaps there was a history of it during the match. But after winning a World Cup, I'm not sure that this kind of wording is necessary. In any case, this match was one of the craziest in the history of football. It was certainly the greatest final in history so far. A real fight with 2 football monsters, Leo Messi and Kylian Mbappe, and the two seemed to have challenged each other a bit during the match. Maybe these gestures were intended for their respective benches. What is sure is that their PSG reunion will be nice. But Messi still sought to console his PSG teammate. A little hug from the GOAT, you love to see it. Messi has announced that he will continue with Argentina. He has finished the game, the credits are rolling, he has done all the missions in legend level, but he wants to continue playing with his mates. Messi is right, they suffered, but Argentina had a great tournament and their victory is deserved. Messi, Martinez, Fernandez, Alvarez, De Paul, and so on. They had a great World Cup, and for that, we congratulate them. They'll be celebrating when they get back to Argentina, even though they already started on Sunday night by parading through the streets of Doha in a bus. Let's talk about Kylian Mbappe. The game, and it didn't get any better once he got back to the dressing room. According to TF1, when he met his father Wilfried in the corridors of the Lusail Stadium, he simply burst into tears. It's normal when you just scored 4 times in total, but it's not enough to win the title. PSG president Nasser Al Khelaifi was there and also tried to console him as best he could in his pain. And I know another one who will surely try to find the right words to comfort his brother, Achraf Hakimi. He was at the stadium for the final and he was very happy to see his buddy score. Even if Kylian Mbappe didn't win his second World Cup title, he still made history. He will be 24 years old tomorrow, Tuesday, and has brought his total number of goals in the World Cup to 12. 12 goals in only 2 editions. He has thus equaled Pelé. Miroslav Klose, scorer of 16 goals in 4 tournaments, surely has something to worry about. By the way, the Argentine team gave a real football lesson to the French team for almost an hour on Sunday, but should their 3rd goal really have stood? Well, if you believe the laws of the game set by the IFAB, the body in charge of the rules, no, because if you look closely at Messi's 2nd goal, just as La Pulga was about to push the ball into the goal, 2 Albiceleste substitutes entered the pitch. This was before the ball had even crossed the line. Now this is in breach of Law 3, Paragraph 9 of the rules of the game. The rules state if, after a goal is scored, the referee becomes aware before play is restarted that an extra person was on the field of play when the goal was scored, the referee must disallow the goal if the extra person was a player, substitute, substituted player, sent-off player, or official of the team that scored the goal. Play must be restarted with a direct free kick from the place where the extra person was located. This is a little-known rule that should have been applied when Randall Kolo Muani had his shot saved by Emiliano Martinez as two French substitutes came onto the pitch. There's no reason why the Argentinians should be whistled for it and not the French. The World Cup Daily is over for today. See you tomorrow for the penultimate issue. Bye for now, and congratulations again to Argentina.